Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We are approaching the end of 2022 and I'm so excited about the milestone that I set out this year, all of which was done successfully. Love to see all the holiday lights around town and I'm ready for a reflections and quality time with my family and friends. I love the third quarter of each year. I usually focus on finishing my year strong by meeting my goal set for the year. Then I would like to take some time off to rest and plan for the year ahead. Most importantly, spend more quality time with my family and with our close friends starting just before Thanksgiving through the end of the year. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. My name is Korianne and I am a real estate investor since 2001. I achieved my financial independence when I was 35 years old after consistently investing in cash flow properties over 8 years. I started to set life goals since I came to this country as a way for me to design a life that I love to live. And I highly recommend you to spend some time thinking about what a beautiful life looks like to you and how you are going to build it. As for me, to live a life that I love includes a few main things like my health, family, career, and fulfillment. Each year, I will set a goal in each of this area as a way for me to focus on working on them to improve where I know there is room to make them better in the coming year. To live a dream life, there will be a series of improvements. Don't you think? I do enjoy the process of improvement as a way for me to learn and grow and give me a purpose to working on things that give me meanings. I'm very grateful 2022 has been great for my health, relationship, career, and fulfillment. As for this YouTube channel, my goal was to deliver 40 high-value YouTube videos in 2022, and this video actually my number 45. Reaching this milestone feels wonderful. I'm happy with the outcomes, and I greatly appreciate your continued support and your sharing of your thoughts and comments. Without you, I will not be here, and a big thank you to you all. I wish you the best and wish you to finish your 2022 strong and start planning for 2023. There will be a lot of real estate opportunities for us to invest in over the coming months. So get ready for it. Wishing you and your family wonderful holiday seasons and a happy New Year 2023. Thank you so much for your support in 2022 and I cannot wait to share more values to your real estate success in 2023. Ciao.